This time it's not about the food. You actually have all of your ingredients to make some pretty good raw vegan meals, but now you have a toothache, or missing teeth, or not teeth that are strong enough to bite into solid raw foods, fruits and vegetables. So now what are you to do? That's exactly what I'm going to get into in this video coming up next. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me again for another video. And if you are not already subscribed to Raw Vegan Food Diet, please subscribe now and hit the bell notifications. Also hit the like button if you like this video, and share it if you think it is useful and someone else can use this information. Now it's safe to say that we've all been there. You've either had a toothache, you've had a missing tooth, or you've had a cavity or a swelled gum, something that is causing you pain in your mouth, and it's making it rather tricky for you to eat all the wonderful foods that you feel that you need to have a good, healthy lifestyle. So I know everyone has their ideas about what exactly they should do. And I'm no different. I have my own. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the natural tips that I use to actually treat a toothache. But I'm going to talk about that at the end. Now, that's the problem. Now, these are the tips that I feel will get you on the right track and keep you on a raw vegan food diet, even if your mouth is saying otherwise. My first tip is to make sure that your foods are not in whole form, and that is to grind them up in many different ways. I'm sure the first thing that comes to mind is a smoothie. Also, to do raw soups. Also, you can do an all liquid diet, which just consists of juicing. If you think that your toothache is not going to last long and you're going to get emergency dental care, and maybe it's going to be in a day, a couple of days, or a week, and you think you can do it, you can do a juice fast, you can do a water fast, and that is pretty much it for the pureed, liquefied version of how to get through. The tip number 2 would be to eat softer fruits and veggies, or nut butters. So that is anything that you know that you can digest with your teeth first before you swallow. Things that would be juicy fruits would be perhaps watermelon. That might be too hard for some. Depends on what's going on in there with the gums. You may not want to brush against anything. So in that case, I would say something soft like mangoes. Also, I would say to eat things like grapes. And these are generally things that you don't actually need to chew a lot of times, actually, to get proper digestion before you swallow. Now, this may go without saying, but I'll say it anyway. These are the raw fruits and veggies to avoid. Obviously, any kind of nuts or seeds, anything that you have to crunch is a no-no right now if you have a toothache. Anything that's hard, any raw vegetables usually are kind of hard if it's not a juicy fruit, so please don't do that to yourself. The next thing would be dry fruits. It's chewy. It really is not a good feeling when it comes to a tooth abscess. So right now, just leave the chewy, dry fruit things alone. Also, whatever is crunchy, obviously, just stay away from those things right now. And the last thing that I will add is, finally, as I promised you in the beginning of this video, the tips. Now, adjusting your diet is not the only thing. There are some tips that if you are going through a painful experience in your mouth, and you are not readily near a dentist or have the money to pay a dentist at the moment, I put together a healthy tooth kit in my Amazon store. And these are proven things that actually work for me and actually healed my gums or healed an abscess, tooth pain in so many different ways. So check that out. The link is in the description. And I hope that these links and these products actually help you, and these tips from this video actually helps you. And I'm certain that you will get through this painful experience very quickly. And if you feel like the tooth pain is a little deeper and you don't really understand why, or you would like to prevent it, please check out my video, which is, does the raw vegan food diet actually cause tooth decay? And please watch that video next, and maybe you can get a little bit of more depth of how you can prevent something like this from happening again. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. To your great health.